This is just a quick unboxing of the British Infantry 1/72 scale kit from Revell. It's World War II. As of this date, I paid $9.95. This is the box. 48 unpainted figures, 51 parts total. British Infantry. And on the side here it says, on the 6th of June 1944 in Operation Overlord, the Allies landed in Normandy. These included British infantry regiments who, in addition to their traditional 1937 webbing, also had new equipment such as the Mark III helmet and battle jerkin. Armed with the Sten submachine gun, the No. 4 Mark I rifle, the Piat anti-tank weapon, the Bren machine gun, and handy grenade launcher, they forced the defenders out of the landing zone. Juno, Sword, and Gold, and during the following days and weeks smashed German resistance in Korsham, Aramanches, and Cohen. This is the other edge. And then on the back there's a painting guide. So let's see what the sprues look like. No printing on the inside of the box. We have instructions. Yeah. And then on the sprues themselves, it's 2 sprues, all made at the same time, bended. A few different poses, a lot of duplicates, and there appears to be some flashing. Alright, thanks for watching.